Okay. Once again, very good evening, all the participants. Finally, we came to the end of this ATAL FDP. Uh, all these 6 days, total 12 sessions, we have topics on different, I mean, we have different sessions on AI applications ranging from application in monitoring of chemical process control. Then checking, we have seen how it is useful in sustainable energy solutions and also in the intruder systems, animal intruder systems and precision farming. I mean, it started from business analytics to core. Then finally today we have seen even the application in healthcare industry and also the telecom industry. And we have seen some topic on machine learning application in material characterization also. So it was a wide variety of topics. We're happy that all the participants are participated in the event throughout these 6 days and interacted very well. We thank you for that. And I request uh, any participant if they want to give oral feedback on conduction of this NFDP. You can give any kind of feedback.
Yeah, kindly while providing feedback, it will be better if you turn your video on so that
Yes.
so how you felt this kind of thing.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I tell that, yes.
Special thanks to Nallikant sir and Panchimit Rajesh sir, as well as my supervisor who provided the opportunity to attend this workshop. Uh, Basically, for the first time, somebody came to do talk on simulation in our college, after which I decided that it's better to go on with simulations and later on figured out some ways of doing so. But there was as such no base for it for me. And my guide also, since he was engaged in some other activities, he was not able to guide in this direction, but he encouraged with the 100 percentage. And also we included coursework from simulation itself. But how the process goes on or what is happening in the field, though there were news that I have read somewhere, but as such, there is no proper base that is known to me. But by attending this workshop, if now, right now, if somebody speaks to me, I am able to predict in which area they are working. Either they are developing ML or process parameters they are working with. And so this is this, I think if I am able to bifurcate or classify in this direction, that means some level of understanding has happened with regard to the subject. It was quite interesting because we were also allowed to ask questions during the sessions as well. And lot of areas like from business, telecom, or how apps work, or how queries are solved in modern apps. Just we ask to chatbot and queries are solved. How it is used in the medical field, specifically for let's suppose say heart treatment or other fields, along with the battery, which is a very important aspect and which is also a challenge even now to increase the cycles of it in whatever ways it is possible. So all, and also imaging. This was quite interesting actually. Image and learn from the image and simulate. And also one of the points that I would like to address is I was not aware of a lot of simulation tools that are available. I was aware of one which my institution provides, uh, but that is specific to certain and best for uh, ML or deep learning especially or specifically. But I came to know about a lot of other tools also. That is also a little quite challenging to get access of, but we could get it. But other tools which normally we can use of just to get an hands-on experience, which are just for free, is something from the first session also I got it, and from the last session I had. So that is something very interesting. Once again, I thank ATAL members as well as the organizers of this workshop. This was insightful, and lot of learning has happened in this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwin. Any other feedback you'd like to hear?
Yeah, myself, Dr. G. Srinivas, Associate Professor in Chemical Engineering at B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur.
Hi, sir.
It was very great sections, sir. All sections are very wonderful. Actually, we are generating lot of data, but we are missing the path how to correlate the data and which AI model, which machine learning model, which is useful for us, and how to interlink the generated data. All we are stuck. But in your FDP, you have shown a path to us how to proceed for further. Thank you, sir. Thank you for Rajesh sir, and thank you for Nalin Khan sir, and thank you for Atal. This is wonderful workshop, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks.
for your
Thanks,
feedback. We're
Srinivas.
happy to know that it helped you. Yeah.
Any
Any other
more
thoughts?
feedbacks? I mean, any more?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is Akila Swatantra from Professor from Department of Chemical Engineering, SVU Tirupati.
Hi, ma'am.
First of all, hi, sir. First, I would like to thank Dr. Nalinikanth sir and Rajesh sir to arranging and coordinating this 6-day FDP to get that idea and knowledge on AI. It is very useful and informative sessions with the latest technology. Nowadays, AI is using everywhere. How to use where it is beneficiary to all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to get the knowledge on AI. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for providing feedback. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you.
Any other feedback?
Yeah. Any other feedback? I think we are getting it.
Very good evening to you.
Hi, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, I am this Dr. Rajbabu, sir, Principal Dr.
Hi.
Samuel George Institute of Engineering and Technology, Markapur, Prakasham District of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
So
Good
we are
evening.
extremely
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
to be a part of this online FDP, ATAL FDP, sir. Thanks a lot for giving us this opportunity, because nowadays all the core branches are under turmoil.
Yeah.
And they are their existence actually. This FDP has given some hope, ray of hope for the conventional branches to establish strength in the newly arising technology, that is AI. Certainly, these sessions are very much helpful for us, and they have given ample confidence for all the conventional branch community to survive in this AI-driven world. Thank you very much for the great opportunity given to us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Feedback. We're happy to know.
Yes. I can see many of them are giving WhatsApp feedbacks. It'd be better if we can provide video feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because ATAL is insisting on providing video feedback. So that is the request.
And we will be happy to hear you from your mouth.
Yeah,
what
we'd like to
feedback
see
you
you.
want to
So,
say.
yeah.
A lot of work went behind it to arrange all these sessions.
Is there anyone?
Sir, I think we can conclude.
Okay. Okay, so we'll conclude. Thank you all the participants for your spending your valuable family time with us. So that is the major thanks. I know it's very difficult, and in spite of all the difficult things, you have spent your valuable time for our feed, FDP. So that means a lot to us. Thanks a lot. At this
And
at this
I hope
juncture, I
it
would
is
like
worth,
to. Which one?
and we also hope that it is worth spending this time.
Exactly. I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of our resource persons. Okay, to start with, the session one started with Muralidhara, Dr. Muralidhara Anantamurthy. So thanks, Dr. Muralidhara, for your valuable session on analytics, ML and AI for business application. And as a second session, we had Mr. Lakshmi Narayana from Product US. Thanks, Lakshmi Narayana, for providing, empowering and enlightening us on how telecompanies are empowered with geospatial data. I'd like to have thank Dr. Muddu Madakyaru from MIT Manipal for his talk on AI-driven monitoring of chemical process. I'd like to thank Dr. Sudhakar Kathari, who is a senior research scientist from Honeywell, Karnataka, for his talk on machine learning applications in advanced process control. So these two are the core chemical engineering topics. And then we had Dr. Sridhar Palla, who enlightened us on harnessing AI and ML for sustainable energy solutions. And he talked about the flow batteries and how he's trying to optimize using the flow batteries is very useful. Sorry, sorry, I'm making a mistake here. Yeah, sustainable energy solutions is different. Yeah. So the next speaker, Dr. Vignaraj Anant Vikraman, who is from HCL Technologies. He enlightened us on how he has used IoT-based and AI-based animal introduced system and precision farming. And we have Dr. Ravindra Gondrapalli. So he talked about how he utilizes AI and ML for optimizing the battery performance. Next, we had Joseph Davidson, sir, who explained how he uses ML models for automatic analysis of grain sizes in metallographic microstructures. Then we had Mr. Mayank, who talked about how AI applications in telecom industry, how AIs were used in monitoring the tower and performance of the towers. And then we had Dr. Ambi Ganeshan from IBM US. He gave how IBM is employing this AI and analytics for transforming businesses. So that is very insightful. And today we had Dilip Kumar Patipati on how AI application is happening in the healthcare industry. And finally, we have Dr. Sheikh Abdullah on how we can explained us how we can make decision support for coronary heart disease and type 2 diabetic. So I hope so these sessions will be useful, and we already also had a small minor session on how we can use AI in our education system, how we can blend AI applications in education. So we had a useful discussions. I thanks personally Mr. Ashwin and Mr. Naga Vignesh and Mr. Jay Ganesh, and then we had on our one more speaker, Mr. Zakir Hussain, for participating in the discussions. It was very what to say, very elaborate, and it explains our pain points as a faculty and how we can. It also shows what are the opportunities available for us in education where we can apply AI. So I thank all the resource persons, and I would like to special thank to my co-coordinator, Dr. Rajesh Pachimitla. So we put together these things and then we have been trying this for the last 3 months. But at the end of today, we are very happy. So
Yeah.
what matters is that. So, and that happiness is because of you all participants. So please, thanks once again for all the participants. I take this opportunity to thank our college management for permitting us to conduct this event, and specifically our president, Dr. Kala Vijay Kumar ma'am, our principal, Dr. Radha ma'am, and our HOD, Dr. K. Satish Kumar sir, for permitting us and giving complete freedom to conduct this event. And finally, I would like to thank our funding agency because they have did a lot of work in getting this skeletal structure for this kind of FDP to be conducted, because the framework, everything was provided by them. We didn't did the schedule. They did the schedule and they are asking us to just fill in the blanks. So they made all the skeletal work and then they said that this is the budget and everything they provided, the criterions they provided. So we are very happy we are able to satisfy whatever their expectation is in our proposals, and they gave an opportunity to conduct the event. So thanks ATAL FDP program or ATAL FDP scheme for selecting us, and hope through this we are able to enlighten all the participants. And all the sessions, whatever has been conducted in the last 6 days, will be available in YouTube. Whenever you find time, you can always go back and search for YouTube for titling, writing this ATAL FDP on this topic. You will get that. So it will be there. So it will be always useful. It will be recorded there. So thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Dharankan sir, for nicely summarizing the whole 6 sessions. That's all for today.
Yeah.
And then we can came to the end of the validatory function of this ATAL FDP on AI-driven innovations, transforming core engineering disciplines, which is conducted by Department of Chemical Engineering, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai. So thank you all once again.
Yeah. So can we go for the online?
I already shared the oral feedback form. Now I'm going to share the link for the test.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll stop recording now. Okay.
Yeah. 1 second.
So